So here it is, and finally all complete, and you can see it runs nice and smooth here. So happy with that. Now I just got to get some grinding wheels for it, but yeah, you can see it's in pretty good shape, right? It cleaned up pretty good. So quite a big difference from what it was. These are all nice and tight. Those have the nice new bearings in there. Machined the holes here and made spacers. That's all on the other video, but you can see the action is nice and smooth now. So the plan for now is just going to be to go ahead and just clean up the Bridgeport. It's not in real bad shape. There's a nick there. That's kind of a heavy one, but it's on the outside of the jaw. But the inside of the jaws aren't bad. I'll probably just touch it with a file, but just clean this up a little bit and get it ready. This is the basic setup for now. I'll just have the Bridgeport on here, have the Spindexer, and then I'll just get my angle from here off of this protractor. Not ideal, but it is cool, and let's just at least make some sparks and see the thing work. So at least it's running, and we made our first spark, so. All right, so just getting the, got the spindle square with the knee now, and see if I can show you. Okay, just got the indicator on here. I got the table in the, pretty much in the center, and just gonna run it side to side here. And you can see that we're getting heavier and heavier as we go to the left. So I'm just gonna bump that back a little bit. All right, got her within a couple of thousandths here, or a thousandth. I think you'll see it kind of bounce around, so I'm gonna go to the right. All the way to the right. And take it back all the way to the left. And I gotta imagine most of that bouncing around that you're seeing is you know, just the imperfections on the face. So I had to indicate off of the back of the vice jaw here rather than the face of the jaw. Not ideal, but close enough for me. Everything's pretty much square now, and you can see how theoretically this would work, but obviously I'm getting the magnetic chuck. It's just a matter of time. This is obviously less than ideal, you know, but you could see how this would work. And, you know, I could just turn this to get the face angle, use this protractor on here. Really, the magnetic vise with the 5C collet fixture is going to be the way to go. But anyway, here it is. It's pretty much, I mean, it's done, it's usable. Obviously got to put the guard back on and get some wheels.